Now, for the next problem naman, medyo madali lang, but kung hindi mo alam yung concept na gagamitin, medyo mahirap. Kasi baka, ito kasi parang scam yan na given. Hindi yan magagamit sa solution natin. Yung 16 newtons. Only this one and this one. Now, diba, alam natin na F equals square root of fx squared plus fy squared plus fz squared. Now, diba, this just comes from parang f squared equals this expression. Yan. Diba? But then, for the components, fx is parang f cos phi x, fy naman is f cos phi y, and then fz is f cos phi z. Yan. So what if I will replace these forces into this one? So mangyayari, f squared equals, ano yan? F, copy ko na lang yan. Parang ito, square natin yung buong expression, and then plus f cos phi y. Yan, square natin. And then plus this one. Square din natin. So, this will reduce into f squared equals f squared, i-square natin yung dalawang expressions individually. So, parang cos squared phi x plus f squared cos phi y squared din plus f squared cos squared phi z. Yan. Now, we can divide yung dalawang sides by f squared. So, divide by f squared, ito rin. Yan. So, magka-cancel na lahat ng f squared. Yan. So, matitira is ito na lang. 1 equals cos squared phi x plus cos squared phi y plus cos squared phi z. Yan. So, you can just use this formula if ever you encounter this type of problem. So, yung phi x natin, 25. So, palitan na lang natin. Yan, gawin natin 25. And then, the angle toward the y-axis is 25. Sorry. Ito pala yung unknown. Phi x. Yan, this is 25. And then, ito naman, this is 87. So, input natin sa calculators natin. We have 1 equals cos x, and then naka-square yan, so squared, ito, plus cos 25 squared, and then plus cos 87 squared din. So, shift solve, lagay mo 45 kasi yan yung gitna ng 0 saka 90. So, ito yung safest na acute angle. So, we have 65.21 or 205 na lang. Yan. So, phi x pala is, ano yan? Letter B. Yan.